Guys, it's another day. It's been a long time since I made any videos. I made so many videos only to never post and publish them because I've been busy with work, but now I have a lot of free time, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about the major updates that are going on with the channel and with the projects that I have going on for this year. So first off, today is the first video I guess I'm gonna call the road to Wekfest. So Wekfest, Wekfest, I believe it's called Wekfest. If you guys aren't sure what Wekfest is, it is one of the dopest car shows in the nation for import cars. To get in, I would say, is pretty difficult. They do have a higher standard than most shows that I would consider. The standards of getting into Wekfest is a little different. They only qualify brand name parts, so if you don't have a brand name part in your car, they ignore it. They don't consider that part of the judging. What sparked the idea to do this? Actually, it's been something that I've wanted to do for a while now, and now that I'm in the mainland, particularly now in this point in time in my life, I have more time to dedicate to the channel and to my cars. So I decided, you know what the heck, let's pull the trigger. Let's throw the entry into Wekfest to see if I get accepted. So I did submit the application today, the photos of what it looks like and all, and we'll see where it goes from there. If I get accepted or not, regardless, the road to Wekfest is about to happen. So stay tuned, guys. Today I got a lot more stuff planned. I have the truck all set up over there. Still not used to doing this. I'm gonna load it up with all the parts that I need to take for the S14 and take it to the shop today, see what we got going on, kind of take a look at the car. Now, if you guys are wondering why I chose the S14, it's probably because it's my main vehicle. It's the car of my choice, the car that I've had for years. And I was debating on doing different types of repaints. So I was gonna repaint the car a different color, but I decided, you know what? I'm going to keep it the same color just because it's factory, and I'm gonna add a little twist to it. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I do for the car, follow me on my Instagram channel at The Vanilla Collection, and follow me also on my personal Instagram at Soung is Young. And just comment, post, subscribe, watch my stories, and I'll take you guys along this adventure with me to Wekfest. Just at Costco, grab us some food first. Look who's showed up, it's Quentin. What are we working on today?
S14.
There we go, road to Wekfest, day one. So before heading to the shop, Quentin wants to put on his new wheels for his WRX, so we're gonna do that, but I just got most of the parts all laid up in the bed right here. Once I put on the new wheels for his car, he's reversing right now. We'll take his car up to the shop because he really wants to drive them, because I know how that feels. All right, there we go, WRX with the 4 new wheels and freshly mounted tires. So we'll take off the old stocks. Tread's pretty done. And we're gonna put on the new ones. Already look way better than the stocks. Such a beautiful day outside. Amazing. Sometimes I just love driving to this shop. It's just an amazing view. And we are here. Just park at all these stalls. Howdy there, partner.
Can I help you guys?
Can you help us?
You're beyond help, dude. We've already discussed this. Like 5 minutes prior to this. Not even 5 minutes.
It's been a minute, man.
Yeah.
What you been up to? What's up, boys?
Here.
Hey!
Gonna get. Oh, shit.
Hey! I'm back. Look at Jew's been a bad boy. Is that why you in there? And you've been a good boy because you're obviously not in there. What'd you pick up, Jason?
The headlight lenses and the test pipe.
Test pipe. This is the headlight lenses for the
And this is
the
test
13.
pipe. Unless that's a really light test pipe.
Ooh, it's P2M. Guess what? Today is day one for Road to Wekfest, or Wekfest.
Wekfest?
Yeah.
Wekfest.
So
Huh?
the
Is that how they
S14.
pronounce that? Wekfest?
It's Wekfest.
Are you sure?
Yeah, so I'm
Sure it's
pretty
not Wekfest?
I'm pretty sure it's Wekfest.
Wekfest?
I'm sure everyone called it Wekfest.
Is it Hoost or Woost?
I have no idea, to be
Hoost.
honest.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Cool,
today is day one.
Oh,
I submitted the application, and the car has to be done now. And if it doesn't, it would be so sad, right? Right? Yeah. All right, so
Half cut.
let me put this down right here. Yeah, this is a right-hand drive half. Oh, that's my JDM Koki 8086 rear bumper with no bumper brackets. Shitty, but you know what? It's all right. Yeah, it's closed already. There you go. We got the new lenses for this.
Glass, or did you get clear lenses?
Clears, because those are not clears. Oh man. How I have missed this thing. Oh, how I have missed this thing. How much have you guys missed this thing? It's almost there, kind of. Just gotta button up a few more things. And this baby should be ready to rock. Until then, we can't do anything about it. You can only just stare. So, have you sat in it, dude? Oh, sit in it, dude. Try to get inside. Try to get inside. See if you can hop it over to the... How is it?
Shit, these seats are tight.
Yeah? How's it feel?
It's good, man.
It's a good feel, huh? It's pretty sit pretty low in the car too. Try check it with the door closed. Dang, you sit pretty low inside. It's gonna be a dope car to hit the streets. I get that hydraulic e-brake in there too. The dogs are running everywhere. Banging their heads into things.
Hey, get back.
Oh yeah, there's the S14 shroud that we got for the 13, obviously. This is hitting this right here. Just make sure it's all, and it makes it more effective. What do you think about that? It's a pretty cool wheel, huh?
Yeah.
That's what I'm running.
Run on this.
Cosmos XT206R, is that what they're called? Black chromes, yeah, put them on this one.
Holy hell.
Yeah, it's all corded. This is my Origin Japan silver carbon roof wing. I gotta find a matching deck lid now, or just get a painted silver one. That'll be the only silver carbon. It's really nice though.
Yeah.
Man, sometimes I want to take this car to Wekfest, whatever it's called. Love going to that show though. In Hawaii, went to it all the time. Always super dope. Always had killer cars. It's funny because we all live on an island, but yet you think you've seen all the cars, but sometimes you get surprised.
Check for the brown guy? Oh, yeah?
Hey, what's up? Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Long time.
What are you guys up to today?
Bag install.
Bag on whose car?
Mine.
Oh, on yours?
Yeah.
So you're going to bags now.
Yeah. You're coming. Taking the plunge. Oh, get that video of Kato. Look at him. He's posing for you.
There you go, there you go. There you go. Take a next to the car. Yeah. Kick that up. There you go, Riley's Accord looks pretty dope. It's pretty clean. Oh. The LS is there too. VIP gang rolling through. Like this video if you guys are VIP enthusiasts. I guess he's going from static to bags now. Make things easier so you can probably drop it like that. Dang, look at the fitment. Jeez, it's like credit card right there. Straight killer though. Yeah, that's some mean fitment right there. Even Riley's fitment is pretty good, but I guess he's gonna up it once more. It's like, get that. Not as good, but it's getting there. Look at them just running around. Hey, hey, watch out. Turn down for what? Yeah, no, that's the turn down exhaust. That's gonna be old news. It's the new kit right here. I got the kit under wrap still. New hood, new style. Bringing it out fresh, just coming halfway through the year. But we'll see. This car's got the bad case of the dead battery, which you guys are very well familiar with by now. So Riley, why are you going with bags?
That's a good question.
Air out for the peasants.
Because coilovers are for peasants. No.
They're for the poor people.
Honestly, static's cool and all. Like, I like driving static, but with a kid on the way. It's like
You're talking too long. Just tell us why you want
because I'm having
bags.
a child.
There you go. That's the main reason, ladies and gentlemen.
Why?
Because you can bounce your child to sleep.
He's trying to.
Bounce him to
He's
sleep.
trying to.
The metal
trying
on metal
to
sounds.
Make excuses.
Because I'm a bitch, that's why. Because I can't afford to be static anymore.
Technicalities.
Oh man, these motors for days. It's a motor graveyard. They come here to get dismantled and to never live again.
No.
Dang man, it's been a long time.
The only one we pushed was that blue one.
Seat never felt so good though. Just look at this.
I'll touch it, but I won't touch the tip. Because remember, you guys were ding.
Yeah, that was me and
I
David.
still have the video of you. Was it you and Davey?
Yeah, me and David, I think. Or was it David?
It was Davey. David wouldn't do that. He'd be like, yeah, I heard about that.
Did you want to do already? Yeah. You do leg row? Oh, well, this is the pre-workout.
God. That's what I tried to avoid last time.
Let's pull it forward and then push it back straight more. So that way we can, that way we can get that.
Yeah, don't curve it.
That one was pretty light.
That's what the shop looks like from the outside, from the back. Quentin's butt. Well, he puts in just the rear seats. Oh man. So tired of looking at this like this.
Knock on nobody.
He didn't knock on nobody. He didn't knock on no one knocked on nobody.
Come here.
It's the
Come here.
runs on hopes and dreams. Now you know.
Julius.
It's fueled on hopes and dreams. Obviously, it's not the best type of fuel because it doesn't go anywhere very fast. Nowhere fast at all. Damn, let me just take that picture right there. This is just gotta remember what it looks like before it goes in the block or it goes back put together. CP pistons, eagle rods, ACL bearings, ARP mains.
Lit, fam.
There's the old one. Just give you guys a good idea what the old one looked like. That's the issue right there. Go underneath it. Chew that up. It's the old motor. There's the new one.
You got a pump?
So step one, take out spare tire. Step two, make sure you have parts to put everything in. Step three, spend 45 minutes putting your car on the lift. Were you showing us something, right? I couldn't see it.
Look at Jason's new air conditioning unit.
That's the air conditioning unit. Alright, so this is what it looks like from top view on stocks. If you can see. And that's what it looks like right there. Without anything. And there's the new dog bones from GK Tech. Got a little sidetracked since the lift is busy with the Accord on it. I'm gonna show you guys in a sec. I've just been busy putting these together, the GK Tech RCAs for the S13. Decided to take apart the bushings over there too. Gonna redo those and switch over the tie rods to aftermarket ones, the self-lubricating kind. And that should be good. Then I'll mount the RCAs onto the bottom, and these should be good to go with the new bearings, the new ball joints. Should feel a lot firmer. Look at them. Koki 14, Zenki 14, Sylvia 13, coupe, and a hatchback 180SX. Got a 300ZX over there. And Quentin's car with the WRX. Got the new 17 WRX wheels modded on with the new Continental tires. Feeling cool, feeling fly. Just did the trans oil change, differential fluid change. And Julius here think it's dope. Do you approve, Julius? Yeah, you do. Kato, what about you? Okay. So, and they're still working on that over there, putting airbags on the Accord still. All right. Yeah. Put them all back. Dang it, you made me ruin my ending clip. All right, guys, if you guys liked the video, I know it was more of like a vlog style. There was kind of no direction in the first video, half maybe, I don't know. Regardless, we had a lot going on today at the shop. The 14 didn't really get worked on too much. That's tomorrow. But the 13, I got some stuff on. All that noise. But if you guys like the video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe below. I'll be posting more videos weekly by week. Try to get more stuff done. This is the road to Wekfest, or is it Wekfest? Jason, what is it?
I don't even know, man.
Regardless, if you guys got questions or comments for us below, put them in below, and I'll get to them as fast as I can. Otherwise, stay tuned, stay subbed, and stay vanilla.